Ready to make the best mac and cheese recipe you've ever tried? Today, we're diving into a cheesy, creamy mac and cheese that's perfect whether you're craving a quickie for dinner or need a crowd pleaser for your next gang get-together in a sauna. This mac and cheese will hit all the right notes. If you've been looking for a way to make your mac and cheese just like Domino's or even better, this is the recipe for you. Stick around and I'll show you how to take it to the high point. Now it's time for the star of the show, cheese. Ta-da! Quelle surprise! Today, we're using a cheese mixture which contains cheddar, Gruyere and several others. But you can swap in whatever your favourite cheese is. Ever tried a 5-cheese mac and cheese? Well, this is it. This is next level stuff. Pro tip, if you want to make it even more special, sprinkle in some smoked paprika for that extra flavour. We'll start on the sauce. Melt your butter, whisk in flour to make a roux, and slowly add your milk and half, or fresh cream if you don't live in America. This is where the magic happens. The first bite is taken with the eyes. Look how creamy this is already, and we haven't even added the cheese yet. What did Mrs. Cheese say to Mr. Mac? You melt inside me every time. Keep watching, because in just a minute, I'll show you how to make a killer crunchy topping that'll take your mac and cheese texture from good to slightly better than good. Okay, so next up, we're going to cook our pasta. A rather obvious first step or second step, but it needs to be said. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and add your elbow macaroni. Make sure to cook it just 1 minute under what the packaging says, because it'll finish cooking itself in the oven. Trust me, this is how you keep your mac and cheese from turning into an overcooked, mushy mess. What part of the video do you think was most helpful? Let me know in the comments, please. Do you prefer sweet or savoury dishes? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, we've got the pasta and cheese sauce ready now. It's time to layer it up. Pour half of your pasta into a greased baking dish. Layer it with cheese in the middle, and then the remainder of the pasta on top. This is what's going to give us that cheesy middle we all enjoy. I'm about to share a trick that makes your mac and cheese topping extra crispy. Keep watching. What's that one kitchen hack you can't live without? Maybe you learned it from TikTok. Let me know in the comments below. Now that we've got everything layered, it's time to bake. We're popping this into a preheated oven at 165 Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until it's golden and bubbly, but you do need to keep a close eye on it. Look at that golden, extra crispy topping. That's the breadcrumb trick. And the cheese? Oh man, it's so gooey inside. Look at the cheese pull. This mac and cheese is pure comfort food. It's super heavy on the calories though, so be aware of that. But if you portion it and freeze it and eat it only once per week, you won't turn into a giant blob of fat. And if you're looking for even more ways to amp up your mac, try adding bacon or even some pulled beef or pulled pork. Why not? We're here for a good time, not a long time. I'll include a link to my pulled meat video above. Why did the mac break up with the cheese? Because it was a grating relationship. Oh Jesus, I'll get my coat. Alright, there you have it. A mac and cheese recipe you'll enjoy. Whether you're into Domino's mac and cheese or you're a mac and cheese fest Dubuque fan, this one's for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my next one. If you got any value, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, as I've already asked you 4 times. AKA, tip your creator. Mwah. The cheese on top is very nice traditional. So, if you're into mac and cheese, or mac cheese as some say, or just love trying new recipes, I've got tons more easy dinner ideas coming your way, and I've a dinner ideas playlist for your listening pleasure. Thank you for watching, good night and God bless.